Okay, today we want to talk about how to install software on the Linux Mint operating system. You have several different ways to install software. If you're coming from the world of Windows, this method of installing software may be a little foreign to you. If you're used to using the Microsoft Store on Windows, the concept with the Microsoft Store is similar to what I'm going to show you right here. So in Linux Mint, click on Start, and then you go up to this icon here, and this icon is called the Software Manager. On my computer, it has a white field with a little green dot in the middle of it. So we just click on that. And if you haven't opened this up in a while, or if it's the first time you open it up, it may take a minute for it to gather all the information together. And this is called the Software Manager, that you can look here and see what kind of software you can install. You got featured software, and then you have software broken down into categories of different things you might be interested in. Some of this you may not recognize what it is right away by just looking at the name of it, but then you can click on it and read the description. And I think some of this software also has like people posting reviews. So like, let's say you don't know what FileZilla is. So let me click on FileZilla. And this will tell you FileZilla is a full-featured FTP client. And if there's any reviews, you can click on reviews, and it'll tell you what other people, their experience is of this software program. So it gives you more information about what that software program is. So you basically, if you want to install something, you just click on it and then click on Install. So let's find something here that I don't already have installed. So here's an example of how we have to refresh the cache. And sometimes it takes a minute to generate cache. So what it's doing is it's downloading a list of all the available software underneath that category. Sometimes it takes a long time, sometimes it takes just a couple of seconds, depending on how long it's been. I don't think I've used this in a while. Alright, so now let's try that again. Click on Accessories, and there you go. So let's just pick something here. Midnight Commander. This says the Midnight Commander is a text mode full screen file manager. So this is like a Windows Explorer for your terminal. So let's say I want to install this. I go up to this button up here to where it says Install. Click on Install, and it's telling you these are the dependencies of things it's going to install. Click Continue. Now it's going to ask you to put in your password, authenticate. You can tell here it's installing this package. Now there are different types of software, so now it's completely installed. You have different types of software. Some software comes with Debian based operating systems, which Linux Mint is a Debian based operating system, and it comes with certain software packaged for those types of computers. But in today's world, you have different types of software. So let's look under, I can't remember where it's at here, but look under different sources maybe. Okay, no, that's not what I'm looking for. There's different types of software packages. Some of them are called Flatpak. Some of them are called snaps. And you can look under here, and some of the software on here, it's going to install it maybe as a Flatpak. Okay, right here. See, this is the category Flatpaks. All of this is packaged differently. It's just a different type of package format. It really doesn't change anything as far as the if you're just want to use your computer. This what I'm talking about here really doesn't matter. You just install the software and you use it just like any other software. But I just wanted to make you aware of the fact that not all the software that you install is all packaged in the same format. But for most people that are just wanting to use their computer, that's not going to really matter anyway. So anyway, I hope this information is helpful for you today. If you're using Linux Mint, this is how you can find and install more software. There are other ways to install software that are a little bit more technical that you could use, but I'm just showing you the easiest way using the GUI application that comes built in to your desktop to install software. Subscribe to the channel, like on this video and share this video with others. Thank you very much.